Hello students, good morning. In the continuation of the grammar portion, we are here having the next exercise of direct and indirect speech. That means narration. Here we are having some more example, although we have already seen some examples in the previous videos. The sentence is, Princey said to me, I have done your job. If the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of the reported speech also we change. Here I have already done this. Like, Princey will remain Princey. This is she. Said to will change into told. Me will remain me. In place of comma we shall use that. As I is first person. As I is first person. I चूँकि first person है, and we are having the rule that first person will change according to the subject of reporting verb. And what is the subject here? This Princey is our subject. This is verb and this one is object. First person will change according to the subject of reporting verb, and subject is Princey, and that must be she. The case, its case is first case, that means subjective case or nominative case. If the case is first, we have to bring the first case of this Princey, that means of she also, and that is she itself, and we had brought here already she. Has have will change into had, that means present perfect will change into past perfect. As we know that we have string type of rules, that means lambe rules. No need to learn those string type of rules. Instead of that, we should have the idea that has have will change into had only and work will be done. So this has have changed into had. Third form of the verb is required, given your. Your is person second. Your is second person. This is not me. This is not somebody else. This is you or your. जब subject you या your हो, whenever we have the subject you or your, that means the subject is second person, and we have the rule that second person will change according to the object of reporting verb. Reporting verb के object के हिसाब से बदलेगा. And the case of your is subjective case, objective case, possessive case, nominative case, objective case, possessive case. So it is in third case or in possessive case. Third case or possessive case. So we have to bring the third case or possessive case of me as well, and I have already brought the third case of me, that is my job, and our work is done, and his work was also going on. Now the next sentence. They said to Rosie. Said to verb, Rosie object, they subject. Subject, verb, object. Normally after verb we get object. So they will remain they. Said to will be changed into told. Rosie will remain Rosie. There will be no change in subject and object. In place of comma, use connector that. Now see this pronoun. We is first person because it is indicating towards ourselves. That is why we is first person, and we are having the rule first person of reported speech. First person of reported speech will change according to the subject of reporting verb. SON 1, 2, 3. First person of reporting verb will change according to the subject of reporting verb, and the subject is they. Come back and see the case. It is in subjective case, it is in first case, it is in nominative case. That is why we have to bring the subjective case, nominative case or first case of this subject, and the first case of they is they itself. They visited. This is second form of the verb. And we have the rule again, whenever we have the sentence in simple past, this will be changed into past perfect. No need to learn this long rule. Instead of this, if the verb is in second form, change it into had plus third form of the verb. So we shall have they had, third form of the verb, visited itself, visited this place. Here this is showing nearness. We have some words in English grammar, especially when we learn narration. This will change into that, here will change into there, hither will change into thither, now will change into then, today will change into that day. Like this we shall have the list and you will get it into description box. So this will change into that and the place will remain place only. Inverted comma will be removed. Answer is completed. Now we are having the sentence, they said to Alex. They said to Alex. Again here said to is verb, they is subject and Alex is object, and this Alex is he. Now reporting verb is in past tense. When the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of the reported speech we have to change. But if the tense is in already past perfect, it does not require to be changed. Here we do not need to have any change if the sentence is in past perfect already, although reporting verb is in past tense. So in the situation, if we have got such a situation, in this situation we do not need to change this tense, but pronouns को तो change करना ही है. We have to change pronouns. They will remain they, said to will become told, Alex will remain Alex, in place of comma that, he is third person, S-O-N, 1, 2, 3, first person will change according to subject, second person will change according to object, and third person no change. So this third person will remain same, that means he, had, ये past perfect है, this is past perfect and past perfect no change. Had stolen our. Now see the person, this is first person because it is in the indicating towards us, क्योंकि ये हमारी तरफ इशारा कर रहा है, that is why it is first person. First person है, first person will change according to the subject of reporting verb, and the subject is they, Let us move towards they. आओ move करें they के पास. This is our subject. Now see its case. It is in third case, that is possessive case. That is why we have to bring the possessive case of they, and that is they, them, their. So they will change into their only. Their. Novel is novel. Today, that day, and tomorrow will change into the next day. Tomorrow will change into the next day. Full stop. Answer is done. Teacher said India became republic on 26th January. Whenever the sentence is showing historical fact, habitual fact, mathematical fact, or any proverb, you need not have any आवश्यकता to change this tense. The sentence will remain as it is given. जैसा दिया है वैसा ही रहेगा. टीचर सेड, as we are not having object, so there is no need to change the said into told. Said will remain said. That, in place of comma, that India became republic on 26 January. It is the historical fact. That is why no need to change anywhere. Write the sentence whatever we are having. Don't see the tense of this sentence. India became republic on 26th January 1950. Now the exercise is done. Students, I know you will like this. If you have any problem, write in the comment box. So please kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.